Coming.
Yes, Papa.
We do.
You do.
You do.
They well done. Hey.
Come, remove your hand from this news. He put his hand for sugar. This is one man's food. Nonsense. Look at how you are just put. You should wait until the owner of the house gives you cola. So that's the right thing you should do. I'm not going to put your dirty hand in my food.
Jegede. Jegede. Jegede Shokoya. You allow Nat to make you purchase more now.
Allow him to
shop.
How
go call your house, you go just carry the food, they go.
Allow him to shop. What is the food made for two of us?
Make we leave Nat alone now. Make we talk the thing when you carry we come here.
Okay. Look, I don't know how I just go sit down here. You can go and Eze. If not to come sit down for Jegede's house, we come do. Me, I no fit to here. I get chair for my house. Which kind of nonsense is this?
Wait, look at that. What type of chair have you in your house?
I get chair for house.
Is it not that bed bug and cockroach infested chair? Is that not what you have in your house? The pretty pattern form which is
Jegede, no worry. No worry. Today na today.
Jegede,
we don't come.
Jegede,
today na today.
Leave that matter. Leave the matter here.
Don't tell me to leave that matter. Look at Natty. This hopeless Jagajan, this Kakapuni. Coming to give a hold me, Dr. Pinjagana Chokoya, bad mouth, in my own house. Who are you?
Look, you.
Don't open on.
Since to say you get to come on 5 naira, we confirm your house this early morning. Bob, why? Don't give me a nap on the mouth.
Gentlemen, can you now tell me why you are here? Sorry, if you are unable to tell me why you are here, and if you are trying to now to tell me that you have come with the type of business this jabajantis of a man brought to my house. Out.
Jegede, make I tell you.
Sugar?
Jegede, no pretend as if you don't know the thing when carriers come here. No pretend at all, because you know why we come. You hear me, so?
What are you saying to your long?
They say the thing will happen. No pretend as if you don't know what thing happen.
Look, what are you talking?
Jegede, the thing will happen is say we come collect that win. That win Ikenga been win.
Yes.
Last night for Madam Hemehe in back. Now we come collect.
The winning?
No.
Eze, did you stake any coupon in my house?
Sure.
I mean in my office. Did you say... Get off from my seat. Come, get off. And don't let me see you sit down again. I said you should get up. You want to bring that your police pata to my house, I beg. Nonsense. Did you stake any coupon in my office? Even if you did, is this the right place, the correct place for you to come and claim your money? Have you ever had that I've been paying winnings on a day like this? If not on Mondays, or Tuesdays?
Look, Jegede, look.
Don't touch me again.
Jegede, make I tell you.
Come.
If you just pay Ikenga, waiting will take come. I don't mind if you want to throw us outside, you can throw us outside. That's all.
Jegede, this one na open eye you be this na.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. It is the respect that I'm giving to my friend.
Which kind of respect? Now high sense you do so.
It is the respect. A gentleman like Ikenga, who knows me, who understands me, whom I can eat with, whom I can do everything with. Otherwise, I could have thrown two of you out of my house.
No worry.
Hopeless. Nonsense.
Eze and Nat, make I talk. You know, say this matter where we come here and make concern. And me, I just keep quiet because people talk, say, they talk, when person talk with a fellow man, now here they take grief.
God will bless you, you are a very nice man.
Thank you very much.
God will bless you. You are a gentleman, I know you very well.
Then it can't be like, say,
get up.
Maybe
get up.
It be like, say, Jegede forget. Nati, Jegede, it be like, say, you forget small. Now I say, me, I no mind to remind you of that thing where happened now for Madam, this in yesterday now. You don't forget.
Oh, you are talking of that woman, Madam Hemehe. Forget all about her.
We can't forget about her. We cannot forget about that woman. You don't forget the bet when you take your wife Ramata. Come back for Madam Hemehe last night.
Yes, when you see the fine woman when pass like that, upon see the woman go slap you like that. Shut up.
Then immediately slap her. The deal come clear for your eye.
Clear for your eye.
What's that?
He take you
for woman. woman.
Bet for woman.
The woman must slap him. Three clear for your eye.
Let me bet.
Yes.
For woman.
Let me tell you this. Surely these two people. In fact, these three people, I've never seen them before. I don't know them. I've just seen them today. And in fact, if they don't get out from my house, before I open my eyes, if you don't get out here,
This open eye no go work.
You don't sabi with.
This open eye no go work. This is high sense no go work.
He take you bet. Look, see, Ikenga own 5 naira.
Now my 5 naira bid.
Now your own 5 naira bid. Then Jegede take you bet. Say if he no get the woman, make him carry am. Yes.
Okay, I don't hear.
You know, he take you bet. Now
they are bunch of liars.
I bet now who win the?
Na Ikenga win. Ikenga win.
Oh, Paris, they just go out.
What are you doing? Come on, go there.
Look, Jegede, I go slap you. I go slap you. I don't change you. I don't change you. You go wound you.
If I bet with you,
I go paint this house for you. Buy you motor. Jegede no get money, sir. What do you get?